Alright, the Zippo truck stopped by today and left a little gift on my doorstep. And let's see what he brought today. Alright, this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box. And it's labeled Burning Skull. And you can see it's a skull surrounded in flames. It's on a black matte finish. And it is on a brass body, so it's got a good sound. Lights up nice. Pretty good sound. And this one was made in looks like B. That's February of 14. Made in Bradford, PA. So that one is going to go right there for the time being, and I do have quite a few skulls. I'll give you a close look, or a quick look, at a few of them. These are some of my favorites. If you like skulls, Zippo makes a lot of them. Now this one here on the left looks like the one I just got, but you can see it's pretty much different. Both of them are flaming. That's just about all the skull Zippos I have. And the Zippo skull deserves just a little cowbell. Fist bump.